here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.
Welcome back or welcome to my channel. It is day 8 of Vlogmas. I just woke up, as y'all can see. Y'all might be able to tell, I don't know. I just woke up. Your girl is tired. But yeah, it is Vlogmas day 8 and we have 17 days until Christmas. If you watched the day 7 vlog, you will know that I attempted to do my own lash extensions at home. This is how they held up after I went to sleep. This is what they look like. This one is, I don't know how I bent this one because I wasn't even laying on this side. Anyway, this is what they're looking like. This is how they held up overnight. But yeah, y'all, today I actually have to finish editing the day 7 vlog so I can get that up and then finish editing some other stuff. And then I think I'm going to do my hair because my hair is not done. I took my wig off that I've been wearing all of Vlogmas. I took it off last night and I'm thinking about installing this synthetic number over here and doing a synthetic wig install for y'all today. That wig is from one of my cheap Amazon wig videos. This is one of the ones that y'all love, like y'all love that one, and it was sold out, like the link to that one. I don't even think it works anymore, or if it does then the wig is sold out. I don't think the company restocked it. I tried to find another one that's either exactly like it or similar and link it for y'all in that video. I think it's still in the description box, but that is the same wig. Still looks really good, so I'm thinking about installing that. I'm gonna do my nails because if you watch the day 7 vlog, I was supposed to do my nails in that video, but I didn't feel like it no more, so I'm gonna do that today. And I really want to go to Bath and Body Works and look at their holiday scents, so it might be what I do today. But yeah, if I do anything else or add more things to the day and more things to the schedule, then y'all will see it. I'll let y'all know. But yeah, welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. Y'all, it is 80 degrees outside today. Like, what? Isn't it December? Welcome to Georgia, where it's 80 degrees in December today. Tomorrow, it very well could be 20. Like, why is it hot outside? I'm not complaining, though, because I don't like it to be super cold. I don't like that. It's supposed to be 71 degrees tomorrow. Dang, and I got to be cooped up in here editing. I sure want to be outside. Anyway, let me edit day 7 for y'all so I can get that up. It'll probably, I don't even know. It's definitely going to be dark by the time I'm done editing everything I need to edit. But yeah, all right, y'all, day 7 video just uploaded. So it went up at like 9:30. I was sad because I was trying to make it to Starbucks, and Starbucks closed at 9:30. But yeah, I'm finna go to the gym with my cousin and my sister. Y'all know I told y'all in like day 1 or day 2 that, you know, I was a gym girly until I wrecked my car. So I've been out of the gym ever since then. I just wanted to fully recover because I'm still having pain before I go back. But I'm not working out. I'm just riding with them because I just want to get out the house. And I want something to eat. So yeah, but I still have editing to do. So I'm going to just edit while they work out. I might warm up with them or something, but that's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym with them. Hopefully I can set the little tables that they have in there. I can't say too much because I don't know who watched my videos from where I'm from. But it's this person that be there. And if she there, I'm gonna just sit in the car and edit because she get on my nerves. But it's just like, it's just really weird vibes. Like, you know, you get really weird vibes from people, and like people be doing really weird stuff. Like it's on that type of stuff, and get away from me with all that. So yeah, I hope they ain't there because I want to sit at the tables so I can edit. If not, I'm sitting in the car. Sorry, you know. But yeah, let's go. I literally just threw my wig back on that I took off last night right after I finished filming the day 7 vlog. I just took that off, but I put it back on. It's just not installed, so I got this beanie on. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair when I come back though, and my nails. So yeah. All right, we just made it to the gym, but they going ahead inside. I'm gonna get me something to eat. Girl, I ain't ate all day. I'm starving. So I'm coming back here to sit while they work out. I don't know if you can eat in here or not. They got tables, but if not, I'll just eat in the car and then go sit in there. These lash extensions look so good. I love them. Let me lock the doors. Okay, I think I'm gonna get Cookout because it seems like that's the only thing that's open. I don't want Waffle House or nothing like that. So yeah, let's go. This line at Taco Bell is so long. Girl, I'm way back here. I don't even know what made me get Taco Bell because I normally don't even get Taco Bell, but I don't know. I'm gonna get me a crunch wrap and them little cinnamon things. I don't know what the stuff is called, cause like I said, I don't be eating here, but I'm gonna get that. Then I'm gonna head over to Wendy's cause I want me a little strawberry, what are them things called? Strawberry frosty. That's what I want. But shoot, I'm not gonna make it over there if these folks keep playing. They close at 12. Wendy's and Taco Bell do too. It's 11:21. I mean, Wendy's is right up the street, but my God, this line. But yeah, I'll let y'all know when I get my stuff. I love these lash extensions. These don't make no sense. I mean, what is y'all doing? I might actually just go to Burger King because it's like right behind me over here. Like y'all probably can see the sign. It's right there. It ain't focusing, but it's right there. Like I said, this line is so long and it's like barely moving. And Wendy's is farther away than Burger King. I mean, it ain't nothing but probably like a minute up the road that way. But like I said, you know, people like to start shutting stuff down at 11:30 or whatever. So my best bet is probably going right here to Burger King. And I'm just getting me a milkshake. Cause I just want something like some ice cream, a milkshake or something. Frosty, whatever. Y'all better love y'all some Taco Bell. Cause why this line be so long? Like I said, I really don't be eating here. I can't tell you the last time I had Taco Bell. But yeah, I prefer the authentic Mexican cuisine spots, so this ain't it. But those places aren't open right now, so yeah. Okay, we getting a little motion, Come on, car, move. You see these cars moving. Now, I don't know what to get to drink, because I know Taco Bell don't have Coke products, do they? We'll see. Maybe I can get my food now. Okay, I'm next at the window. Hi.
You want any coffee?
No thank you. Thank you. Alright y'all, I got my food. Shoot, these folk behind me done cleared out. Let me put my stuff in here. My nacho fries. Not sure it's okay. Dang, I forgot to order my little cinnamon things, but that's okay. I don't need that because I'm finna get me a milkshake. Right over here at Burger King. They line look long too. I don't have time for this. It's 11:40. When I told y'all I got in that Taco Bell line, it was like 11:20 something. My Lord, please don't be closed. I want a milkshake, please. Please. Hi, can I just have a vanilla milkshake, please?
Okay, it's down there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
They talking about the milkshake machine is down, y'all. Let me see if I can make it one of these. Boy, I'm gonna be one mad if I don't get my milkshake or something. Shoot, I'm supposed to be sitting over here editing. I done spent my whole time trying to get something to eat. And then I'm gonna spend the rest of the time eating it. This is a mess. And Wendy's look about closed. What's really going on, y'all? What's really going on? What is really tea? Cause this don't make no sense. Are they open? Please be open. I just want a Frosty. They look closed as Alright, well, I'm gonna go on down here to Cookout. I don't want them milkshakes because you can't even drink them. I don't want that, but I guess I'll have to eat it with a spoon or something because you can't drink it. This line long too. I don't have time. These nacho fries is good. I never had nacho fries. I should got me more nacho fries. These so good. I'm probably gonna barely get me editing done. Ooh, these fries so good. I don't want to keep eating the fries because I want to eat my crunch wrap, but I want to keep eating the fries. Oh, can I just get a strawberry milkshake? Thank you. Shoot, I can't see around you. Dang. Can I go? Cause I sure cannot see around here. Thank you. Child, that's how you know that milkshake thick. She handed me that cup like this, tilted to the side. Are y'all gonna go? Okay. Right, back to the gym. My God. Been out here 30 something minutes trying to get something to eat. And everything is right here by the freaking gym pretty much. That make no sense. But yeah. Alright y'all, I'm back at the gym. In the parking lot. I'm gonna sit here and eat real quick. Shoot, really ain't no point me going in there. I might as well just sit in here and edit because I don't know how far they into their workout. I just called my sister to see if that person was there that I was telling y'all about that be doing weird stuff, and she said yeah, so I'm gonna stay in here. And shoot, she said they done, so they finna come out. Been sitting here getting food this whole time. I'm supposed to be editing, but I probably still got some time because they finna be in that locker room 15 minutes, and then we got a 30-minute drive back home. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start editing. I'm finna get in the back seat so I don't have to move when they come out because I was sitting in the back before they left. But yeah, shoot, I'm thinking they finna be in the locker room for a while. They already coming out, but I'm gonna just edit while we on the way home. They might get something to eat too while we out. Yeah, let me get to work. All right, y'all, I made it back home. I'm finna finish editing because I need to finish this. Then I'm gonna do my hair so I can take this beanie off. But yeah, let me finish this and then we'll talk later. Y'all can probably tell I'm very tired. And you can also probably tell it is daylight. I'm just now finishing editing other content that I had to do and editing everything I filmed so far for this vlog. And I still have to do my hair. So I'm gonna do my hair real fast because I'm gonna go get breakfast at 9:30 and it's 8:30. So I'm gonna do my hair real fast and that'll be the end of the vlog. Y'all can catch me in day 9, which it technically already is, picking up when I go get breakfast. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm ready to go to bed. I've been putting in the work, y'all. I've been putting in the work. I've been dedicated to this. And I said I wasn't gonna be one of them YouTubers that was like, oh yeah, I'm doing Vlogmas this year. And then we see them for like 3 Vlogmases and then you never see them again. That wasn't gonna be me because I hate when people do that. I don't know. It's just like, if you're gonna start something, I feel like you should commit to it. And I feel like, you know, you kind of knew what you were getting yourself into when you started it. So, but that's just my opinion, you know. When I start something, I have to see it through and finish it. So yeah, okay, let's do my hair. So I think I'm gonna make this a separate video, like one of my regular hair videos and not a vlog, like a dedicated video to the wig. So yeah, I'm gonna just like, you know, show little clips of me doing it throughout for the vlog, but stay tuned for the full detailed video on me installing it. I'm not gonna show my bald cap in it because I already have an install routine and I show y'all how I do that in that video. It's updated install routine, so just refer to that video for that. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair really fast, so y'all just gonna sit here and watch me do that. And if you want to see the full detailed video, stay tuned because I'm gonna probably post it. I might post it the same day. I can't promise you that. I might post it tomorrow. All right, hair's all done. Synthetic. Time to eat. All right, y'all, that is it for Vlogmas day 8. Hair is done. Stay tuned for the video on this hair. Yeah, thanks for hanging out with me again. Yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, please. And thank you. And make sure your post notifications are on so you don't ever miss when I post, because you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. So make sure your post notifications are on, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.